Oh, how entertaining, eh, Siska? Yeah, you stay. You graduation puppy? Hmm? You graduation puppy? You're like, I hate this. Get it off. Please, please get it off. You my good girl. Yeah, she's a good dog. Please, she says. I hate the tassel. It goes on my face. Hi, Siska. Hello. You sad? Yeah, did your grad cap fall off? Oh, you got it off. Yeah.